Drop your weapon. And PC rested. Teach him a lesson. Old me got left in dust. New me's aggressive.
Back in the game with the guys. What's good, YouTube? This Project Garage. We back in another scenery. Goddamn it. We got a good friend right here. Mojo at the cut.
What's up?
So maybe y'all can tell me what this is, but I don't know, man. I'll just let y'all tell me in the comments. We both don't know, but she's some pressure. She's stick shift, 3 pedals. I'm lying about these tires, yo. Like, damn, things are huge. That's a real Dune Buggy right here.
My dad drove.
Good. Everything look custom too. Give y'all a representation of how big this thing is. Like, damn. It look comfortable though. It looks tight.
The seats are comfortable as fuck. This shit's loud as fuck.
You gonna crank it up for the one time? Yeah, this shit is crazy, yo.
See the ground?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, cold. It's an extreme cold start. Whoa, that flame was huge.
Comparison to how big this thing is, bro. There you have it.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I got her.
Yeah, so far. Oh yeah, she's too nice. 1,000 subs, man. 1,000 subs.